Hey you guys, Tommy the Mischief Maker here. I was at Toys R Us today, and can you guess what I got? You all know how much I love superheroes and comic books, and I got my first Batmobile for $14.99. It's made by Mattel, and it does a lot of cool things. For starters, it has bats for the hubcaps, bat signal, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'll show you the electronic lights and sounds. And inside the driver's seat is none other than Batman himself. And another cool feature it has is by pressing this button, it turns into the Batwing. And it's like two toys in one. And you can send Batman off on pretend missions to fight evil. Like so. And this is my first Batmobile. Sad to say though, Pop says it's too big to fit up on my shelf where I'd like to have it. He says it might fall off and land on my head. He also said it might knock some sense into me. I wonder what he meant by that. Oh well, I'll never understand grown-ups. Only I give my first Batmobile by Mattel the Good Buddy smile, because I love superheroes, and the more animated a toy is, I love it. This is very animated, as you can see, and of course it's got lights and sounds, and so that's very cool. And it turns into the Batwing, which I already showed you, and it's really cool. One last look at my first Batmobile. And I hope you have enjoyed this Good Buddy toy review of my first Batmobile. Over and out, everybody, from your Good Buddy Tom.